What is up, YouTube? This is Jim with JimLopez.com. In this video, I wanted to show you which AI writing tool is still one of the best for SEO optimized blog articles. And that tool is SEO Writing AI. So in this video, I'm going to show you their one-click blog post that can easily write SEO optimized articles in just a few seconds or a minute. All right, so stay tuned. Let's get into it. So I'm right here on the SEO Writing dashboard. And right on top here, they have the one-click blog post. So I'm just going to go ahead and click that. And the first thing you do is right here, one-click blog post. You got to put your main keyword. So I believe I have how to track calories when meal prepping. So that's going to be my keyword there. And you can easily generate a title, an SEO optimized title, by just clicking right here, generate title. And it says master calorie tracking during meal prep. All right, so then you just go down and right here, the core settings. So you have the language, you have many languages to choose from. I'm not exactly sure how many they have, but as you can see, there's a lot. I'm gonna go ahead and click English. And the article size, you get to pick the article size. You have everything from extra small, small, medium, large. So the medium here is 24 to 3,600 words with 9 to 12 H2 headings. And then you can, like I said, pick whatever you want. And what's pretty cool about this tool, you have the tone of voice. So you can do everything from friendly, professional, informational, transitional, inspirational, neutral, witty. I'm just gonna go ahead and keep it let's do professional. And then the point of view. And a lot of other tools don't have this option here, but you have everything from first person singular, first person plural, second person, which is you, your, yours. I'm gonna go ahead and do I, me, mine, as an article that I'm writing. All right, so then you can do the target country. I'll go ahead and click United States. And then the language model right here, you can do everything from which is optimal quality, which uses both GPT 3.5 and GPT 4. So you can do everything all the way up to GPT 4 Turbo, all data. I'm going to go ahead and keep it. If you do this one here, the Turbo, it uses like a lot of big words, so it's like a little bit more detailed article. So I'm just going to go ahead and leave it at that. And then if you're actually doing an article where you're detailing or giving different examples, so if you were you had different products that you wanted to feature, you can put them in right here, sample 1, 2, and 3, and then you would put a little information on each one. So when it went ahead and wrote the article, it would add that. All right, so then the next section here is the Media Hub. So this is what's one of the things that's new. You can actually see right here, exciting news, they features evolution. So right here, when it comes to AI images, you get to pick from none or yes. So I'm gonna go ahead and put yes. You can also pick the number of images right here. If you wanted to do all the way up from 1 to 20, we're just going to do, let's do 4. And then you get to pick the image style. So depending on what type of article you're writing, you can do everything from, photo, cartoon, everything, thematic, abstract, anime. So if you were just depending on what type of article you're writing. For this one, it's related to meal prep and food. Let's go ahead and do just photo. I'm gonna do photo, and then you can actually pick the image size. And then what's also pretty cool is they added this, it'll find YouTube videos related to your article, so you can add them if you wanted. Let's go ahead and just so you can see it, I'm gonna do yes, I'll do 1. And you can alternate image videos, you can do alternate video images, or you can do image first then video. So you get to pick whatever sequence you want. I'm just gonna leave it at that. And then this is where their new game changer is at. So when it comes to SEO, search engine optimization, now they're gonna go ahead and generate the keywords, the natural learning process keyword generation, NLP. It says if you don't provide keywords, we will automatically generate relevant keywords, relevant keywords from the main keyword. So you just go in and click it right there, and it went ahead and added relevant keywords that it's going to add to the article. And then right here for the structure, you can, if you wanted to add a hook, everything from questions, quotations. It says enter the type of hook for the article opening sentence. So you can choose one right there, create one. In another video, I'll go a little bit more deep into every single thing, but I just want to give you overview here. So what we have right here is your conclusion. Do you want to add a conclusion? Do you want to add tables? Do you want to add H3s? And then you want to create a list. So on all these right now, it's saying yes. We're going to leave it at that. If you want italics, quotes, takeaways, and then if you want the frequently asked questions, FAQ, you can put yes, no. So I'm just going to leave it at yes as well. And if you want to it to bold some of the words. So another game changer right here is connect to the web. So if you're writing this article and you want to get information directly from the web, and you can also add source links. So basically providing source links for where you're getting the information from for the article. I'm gonna go ahead and put yes. Real-time search results, I'll leave it on that. And you can also do, like if you're related to news search, I'll go ahead and leave it real-time search. And then this is their new outline editor. This is what really dials in the article. So it's basically going to go ahead and create an SEO optimized outline. So what we're going to go ahead and do is enable the outline editor. And right here, I'm just going to click on Magic Bag. What it's going to go ahead and do, it's going to check other related articles, and it's going to create the correct outline for this article here. So I'm just going to go ahead and let's go ahead and hit generate. Okay, so it went ahead and created the outline for me. So right here it says main keywords, yes, it has all the information. We have article has 9 to 12 H2s. So right here, here's the H1, which is the main title. We got the H2s, it added 2 H3s, and as you can see, it created the whole structure of the article here. We have conclusion, and then we have the 2 H3s. You can also add more headings. You just click right here at the bottom and you can drag and drop. So it gives you the ability here to move them around. And then once you're satisfied with the article outline, which is SEO optimized, you would come down here. And then what's also pretty cool about this SEO Writing AI is that you can, with a click of, you can publish directly onto your website. So you would just have to download, their plugin, and then you would be connected with theirs. So right here, and another thing is, I'll go into pricing right now at the end, but you can also connect it to your own OpenAI. So you can use your word count from your OpenAI account and not have to use all of them from the SEO Writing AI's account. So right here, you can click yes, and it'll use the word count using it from OpenAI instead of the ones that are provided through SEO Writing AI. So I'm gonna go ahead and click yes. I'm gonna connect it to my website. I'm just gonna go ahead and do this one was right here, meal prep tips, and I'm gonna leave it as a draft. You can also already add the tags, so I'll go ahead and leave it like that, and I'll come right back up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and run. So now that you got all the information set up, go ahead and run it, and I'm gonna go ahead and let it do its thing. We'll be back in a few seconds. Once it's done, it normally takes like a minute or two. You'll get the check mark here, and then you have the ability to actually click on the actual article inside of SEO Writing AI, or you can actually click on the link of the draft in the website itself. So I'm just going to go ahead and click it just so you can see here. So right now my browser is not letting the actual images, but I'm just going to go ahead and show you inside of the builder. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it here. This is inside of SEO writing. So it ended up being 4,695 words. And you can see here, show meta tags, and it'll have that information in there as well. And right here it says master calorie tracking during meal prep. So this is the image it created. It shows a little app, which is a pretty good image here. This is the introduction paragraph. We have the key takeaways. And then as we go down, you can see here that it has charts. It built charts for us. And there's some more here, giving examples, typical meals, benefits. And then as I go down, as you can see, there's still, this is another chart list. And here are examples of actual meals. It actually broke down everything for meal before the hack. It's giving meal hacks here, calories before, calories saved. So it really goes into detail on these charts and everything. So then here's the actual YouTube video that I went ahead and grabbed. So this video, this article is related to calorie counting. So this is a YouTube video called Calorie Counting Made Easy. And then as you can see, we keep going down, and it has more information. If somebody, what calorie deficits, giving you examples. So this is, like I said, a real thorough article. Time saving tips. So it has, this is the other image that it created. And as we keep going down, here's more information, another image. And I'm just kind of just going down just so you can see all of the article and of the different. So bold, it gave here's the conclusion. It was the H2 and then two H3s, and then it finishes off with the frequently asked questions. So you have some of the questions that you'll get, and then at the bottom here it'll provide the source links. So there you go. In a matter of a few minutes, it wrote an SEO optimized article that you can quickly add to your website. So just real quick on SEO writing, if you're actually interested, here's just the pricing. So you can sign up for free. It'll generate blog posts. You'll get 5 article generations, 5,000 words. You get to use that one-click blog post, and it uses the GPT 3.5, the GPT 4. All right, so that's the free version. The Pro, if you do build yearly, can start as low as $12 a month. If it's billed monthly, it's $19.99. And with $19 a month, you get 100,000 words, 50 article generations, 100,000 words. You get to use this one-click blog post, the bulk generation, which in another video I'll go into that. And depending on, you could, like I said, it integrates with OpenAI. So if you already have an OpenAI account, you can connect it so that you can use some of the words from your OpenAI account, or if not, you can just use it directly from here. But you can go anywhere from 500,000 words for $59. What's also pretty cool, the cool people over at SEO Writing, if you want to try it out, you can get 25% off if you use promo code Team Gym. So I'll put a link in the description where it also has Team Gym. So if you want to give it a try, even if you just want to sign up for the free one and see how you like it, check out the articles it writes. And if you stay to the end, thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Thanks.